In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add alt tags to an image in WordPress, boost your SEO. Alt text, or alternative text, is the short description that tells search engines and screen readers what an image is about. It improves accessibility for visitors using assistive technology and helps your images appear in search results, which can boost your overall SEO. Let's walk through the process clearly, from the editor to publishing. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard and going into the site editor. Open the Home template, or the template or page where you want the image to appear. Click to select the area or block where the image belongs. If you see a highlighted outline, that means the block is selected. If you're replacing an existing image, click it to bring up its settings. If you're adding a new one, choose Add Image, then select Open Media Library to browse images you've already uploaded. Inside the media library, click the image you want to use. On the right side, you'll see the Details panel. Look for the field labeled Alt Text. This is where you add your description. Write a concise, accurate line that explains the content and purpose of the image, such as athlete stretching before a marathon at sunrise, or blue ceramic mug on a wooden desk. Keep it natural and specific. Avoid stuffing keywords or writing something vague like image or photo. You don't need to start with picture of, because assistive tools already know it's an image. Aim for clarity in a single sentence or phrase that would make sense if the image didn't load. You may also see the option to copy the image URL. If you need the direct link for documentation or to reference it elsewhere, click Copy URL to Clipboard. This doesn't affect the alt text itself, but it's handy if you're tracking assets. When your alt text looks good, click Select to insert the image into your template or to confirm the change if you replaced one. Back in the editor, review the layout to make sure the image and its placement look right. When you're satisfied, click Save. WordPress may prompt you to confirm what's being saved. Accept the changes. Finally, click Launch to publish your updates so they go live on your site. That's it. You've added alt text to your image the correct way. Clear, descriptive alt text improves accessibility, strengthens on-page relevance,